and the Tarmac Show, and we're going to kick it off. It's Wiener Dog race night, of course. So we need to kick it off with the Wiener Dog.
Of course.
We have one of our...
Look at my teeth. We're supposed to start.
What's up, guys? Raph and Lou coming at you. It's a beautiful sunny Sunday afternoon.
It's fantastic.
It's been a nice, relaxing day, and it's been a great weekend. So, Wiener Dog races.
We went to see the Wiener Dogs.
Was it Friday night?
Yeah.
Friday night, we went to the Wiener Dog races.
I've been looking forward to this pretty much all week.
I think for like the last 2 weeks.
As soon as I heard about it on the radio.
Lou came home from work and she's like, oh my goodness, do you want to go see Wiener Dog races on July 8th or whatever the heck it was? And I was like, yes, yes I do. And everybody else that we kind of talked to about it was like, that's so lame.
Yeah, all my coworkers thought I was so lame. It's like, you know what? I'm gonna have the time of my life.
We were super pumped for it, and we went with Lou's parents, and they started out with a few different horse races, which I don't know if I've seen any horse races before either, at least not that close.
Yeah, that was my first time.
So that was kind of interesting.
We're here to see the Wiener races.
Okay, we haven't really explained that we're going to see a real live Wiener Dog race.
A Wiener Dog race. Okay, so Wiener Dogs will be racing.
We're gonna eat dinner while watching a bunch of wieners run down a track.
We're gonna have the time of our life. We're super excited.
To Grand River Raceway and the Tarmac Show, and we're going to kick it off. It's Wiener Dog race night, of course. So we need to kick it off with the Wiener Dog.
Of course.
We have one of our 30 contestants here, Katie. Katie is...
That's not a Wiener Dog.
It smells like great.
But nothing compares to a dozen Wiener Dogs racing 20 meters. It was hilarious. It's just so funny to watch. This is the course. They're running 10 feet.
Is that it?
That's it. Are they going to use the same pace car, do you think?
The official okay. If you cannot hear, Tom will give the official okay with the flag. So with that...
3, 2, 1, and they're off! And quickly the touch of like a lily. It's now quickly at the finish. I think it was
There's this guy's still not going.
With the pink one?
Yeah.
Aww.
Get our course reset here and we...
melting pot of diversity at the racetrack, including a lady with a pet pig, which I thought was pretty fantastic. I wanted to see it race against the Wiener Dogs, but that didn't happen.
That was random.
But all in all, a beautiful experience. Probably the most exciting experience of the summer, aside from, of course, Tyler and Haley's wedding.
Yeah,
we wouldn't
Tyler
want
and
to compare.
Haley's wedding, and then Wiener Dog races just underneath. It was amazing.
But it was also cool because we got to meet somebody who watches our videos, and we are super excited to just kind of chill a little bit with Stephanie and her family. Big shout out to Stephanie. Guys, we just ran into somebody at the most unlikely event. We're at the Wiener Dog races, and
Ralph and Lou's biggest fan.
what's your name?
Stephanie.
Stephanie has been following us, and she found out that we were coming here tonight, and she and her family, if they want to say hi over here,
Mila and Jeff.
came over and said hi. And that was awesome.
Yeah.
It was so nice to see.
Peace,
Yeah.
love, and Wiener Dogs.
Peace, love, and that exactly.
Yes.
That is what's going to be at the end for sure. At S Sparling on Twitter. Thank you for getting at us on Twitter, Stephanie. It was really fun to meet you guys, and we always love meeting more people who are involved in the YouTube community. It's always super fun. And Lou and I were talking today again. We talk about it all the time about how awesome the YouTube community is and how supportive you have been through this past year particularly, and we're just super grateful for all of you people.
Shout out to Stephanie's mom, too.
Yes,
She watches, too. I didn't get her name. That's cute.
huge
I love
shout
it.
out. And of course, to end off the amazing Wiener Dog evening, there was a double rainbow.
A freaking double rainbow.
Double rainbow all the way across the sky. So intense. It was beautiful.
It was actually stunning.
Yeah, it was amazing. It was beautiful.
So it was a solid night.
All in all, a great weekend. Wiener Dogs and Rainbows. We were just really excited about the Wiener Dog races. I'm sure a lot of you people are like, oh my goodness, are you old? Are you an old married couple?
Pretty much.
Do you even know how to have fun? And the answer is, I don't know. Maybe we are. Maybe
The answer is I don't know.
Yeah, the answer is I don't know. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed the gratuitous wiener footage. Whoa!
What?
I don't know. Go ahead.
What was your freaking idea? You can't just whoa and not say anything.
I just thought that would make a great title. Gratuitous wiener footage.
I don't know how many times we said wiener this weekend.
Ooh! Also, if you guys want to play a fun drinking game, watch this video over, and every time someone says wiener, take a drink and see what happens.
Let's see what happens.
All
It
right,
was good
guys.
times. It was good times.
Great times.
Thanks for
The
watching,
best
guys.
times. Everyone's a wiener. All right, thanks for watching, guys. We will see you
I
tomorrow.
already said that. Ugh.
Gross. So tomorrow I'm going to bombard my cerebellum with photons, and I will take you guys along. So that should be interesting. So tune in
I
for
love
that.
when you speak like that.
Love you. Bye.